Let's make tuna salad. This one is so easy, but so good. Yeah, chop it up. Can you put some raisins into there, please? No. Using your knife. That's a pro move, Rose. Can you add the kale to the bowl? No. Avocado oil mayonnaise. Avocado, she said it. I would do the same thing, to be honest. Squeeze. 2 hands. Wow. We actually need more mayonnaise now because of Snacking Chef. Okay, check the recipe. This recipe, by the way, is in the brand new 5-ingredient semi-homemade meals cookbook. Back in stock because it was sold out because Roasty is like making the internet viral. Yeah, thank you. It's good. Boom.